Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortran Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are continuing in one of my previous videos in which I have given the introduction of DAC measures, that is data analytical expression. Now, in this video, we will continue with calculate sum and filter formulas in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your dataset through several visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about what are the points to be discussed in this video. So may you have idea from the headline only that we are going to discuss three main points: how to use calculate formula, how to use sum formula, and how to use filter formula. So to understand all these formulas in DAC language, we have to go into the Power BI desktop itself. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. Now we are in Power BI desktop in data model interface and specifically in report view, because there are three views that are available in data model interface: report view, data view, and model view. As in my previous video, I have already told you, if you want to write anything in a DAC language, you have to go into the data view for that. So I will click on the data view first because I want to write a measure for calculate. So how do I do that? So this is our data set that we have a country ID, age group, year, gender, population. So for an idea, I will write a measure in which the population specific to the gender of female will be calculated. So in that all the three formula will be used. So how do I write that? First of all, as I've already told you, you have to create a new measure. So for that you have to go into the table tools, click on a table tool. You will get in a calculation section there is option that is new measure. When you click on it, there is one measure that is available to you in this section where you will write a formula. As I've already told you, it's always important first of all you write the name of a column, because it's very specific and you won't be able to see your data set in the tables. So what we are counting, population female, right? So write population female. After that, get into here. Now we have to write a formula in which we will calculate the sum of the population of a female gender. Then we can use a calculate formula, sum formula, and filter. So how do I write it? First of all, write CAL. You will get an option for calculate. Evaluate an expression in context modified by filters. So if you want to apply the filters in any formula, you have to use certain formulas for that. You can also directly apply it, depends on your calculation. In here I have written a calculate first. After that, click on tab to select this table. After that, I want to expression, so I have expression of sum. After that, again tab, I want a sum of population, pet population. Again tab. After that, again shift plus 0, close the expression. After that, I have to type a filter. Again, after writing a filter, choose it and click on tab so the filter will be applied. So I want a filter for the table, which is the table fat population. So write FA. So this is fat population table comes in. After that, click on tab. Again, comma for up. Now we have to write a filter expression. So we have to write a filter expression. So filter expression is in gender, right? So take it very carefully and very slowly, because if you have written different code and make any mistake, you won't be able to run that code. So fact population, now we are in population. In population we have to go into the gender, right? Again, you have to write FACT fact. After that you will get an option here. So slowly and carefully go into the population gender. Again, after that, going and navigating through up and down key, again click on tab to select it. And if is equal to comma semicolon female, again semicolon closed. So this is how you write a formula. And again one to close the overall. So what I have written, again I will tell you one by one. So I have given the command to calculate the sum of population by applying a filter on the population by selecting a particular gender, that is female, that what is written in this code. So how I have done that, again I am repeating myself. I have written a calculation in which we will calculate the sum of the population which is available in female. So this is how you write a code. After that, click on enter. After clicking on enter, you will see in a field section one new population female appears. So as I've in my previous video already told you, you won't be able to see any measure. You will only see calculated column in here. If you want to see the measure using DAX language, you have to go into the report view. So again we will go into a report view, and by smalling its size I will introduce a new visualization for our data set. So first of all I will drop it here and decrease its size. So I will introduce a new visualization for population female. So again you can use this multiple row card, or you can use a card. So I will click on a card because it is kind of easy to understand. I will also give you a detailed explanation in my future videos that why do we use a card expression. For now, you just have to see what is happening. So we have a population female, the sum of a population female. You have to drag and drop it in here. Now you will see it is 570.26 billion. So this is how you will calculate a formula in DAX measure. So we have applied a formula. So now after that, if you want to do any more thing, like if you want to calculate the percentage of a population female, you can also do that by writing a measure. Again, for writing a measure, you have to go into the data view. Again in a table view, table again in a table tools. Again in a table tools. After that, click on a new measure. Again you will see there is formula that opens up in here. So it will take a few seconds. Again there is a measure. Write population percentage of female. So it is kind of lengthy. I will just change the percentage with a sign. Now I will write a formula. So for writing a formula for this, I have to use a close bracket, population female. So this is quite important feature of a Power BI desktop, because you can see in here now the measure is also available for being used in a formula, while they are not being shown in our data set, but they are available to being used in a formula. But I am using a population female. Again click on tab and dividing it. After that, give a division sign. Again close bar, population total. Again tab, then click on enter. So it will take a few seconds to run, and in the field section you will see the population percent of a female will appear. And to see that how it happens, you have to again go back into the report view. Click on a report view. So in spite of a female, just unclick on it. You have to drop the population percent of female in here. Now, so with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.